Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to be doing an unboxing of this KA500 emergency radio. I wanted to add it in my video last week about boondocking and off-grid camping essentials, but I didn't receive it in time, so it's not really going to be a review today. It's just going to be an unboxing, and then I'll do a review on it later on this spring when the camping season actually starts. So let's get started here. Alright, so we've got a wire here, probably USB for charging, I'm guessing. And then we have, here we go, the user's manual. It's actually pretty thick, so the reason why I bought this thing, as you can see here by this picture, it has solar to power it, or you can wind it up, or you can use batteries. So yeah, I mean, you're set all around. So it's good for boondocking, good for off-gridding for sure. I think this is the only thing in here. Hold on. Alright, so I got it out of the box here. There's some bubble wrap on it for protection. Here we go. It's actually really nice. Perfect size. You bring it camping with you. You can bring it around outside when you're, even if you're at a campground or something. Here's the solar charging portion of it. There we go. Bandana. It's also got a light on it here, which isn't working, so it must be completely dead. And then your knobs for turning whatever, tuning. And then your wind up is over here on this side. So yeah, nice little radio. I haven't tried it yet, but I think it's going to be great for camping. Here we go, get this back down. Yeah, so you have a weather band, you have FM, AM, weather channels, and then you have your different power sources there. And I'm going to play around with this thing and see what happens. But I wanted to get it for camping. You can listen to it while you're sitting by the fire, or bring it with you if you're in the middle of nowhere. Alright guys, that's it for this short video. That was a quick unboxing. Oh, I forgot to check inside the box here. There is something in there. Here we go. Just a limited warranty. That was it. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video there. I'll do a review on this thing when camping season starts. I just wanted to show it to you guys because I forgot it on the boondocking essentials or off-grid essentials, my other video, if you want to check it out on my channel. So if you're new, please subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button. I appreciate the support. Leave comments below. Until next time.